Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. The factory reset through the recovery menu could be useful, for example, if you have a screen lock protection enabled on your watch and you don't remember your pattern or pin and you want to remove it. You can factory reset your watch through the recovery menu and it will remove the screen lock, but be aware that you will need to confirm that it's you. So you will need to either use your Google account to confirm or enter the pin or pattern. So if you forgot the pin or pattern, you will need to log in with the Google account that was connected to your watch to confirm that it's you to unlock the watch. So you can't really unlock it by factory resetting the watch. You will need to unlock it anyway, either through the Google account or with the pin or pattern. Okay, let's continue with the reset. So to factory reset our watch, we need to turn it off. Press and hold the crown button. And then turn it off by tapping on power off. And after the watch turns off, here comes the tricky part, because we need to turn it on. And once the Google logo appears on the screen, you need to quickly tap on the right bottom corner of the screen and the top left corner of the screen. So you need to tap on them both at the same time. So let's turn on the watch and do the tapping. Once you see the logo, remember to tap on the screen on the corners. You will see the message fastboot and then you will see this pop up, and here we can press the crown button. And to scroll through the menu, use the upper button, like this. Select the recovery mode, then press the crown button to reboot into recovery mode. Once you see no command on the screen, you can press and hold the crown button and swipe up on the screen to enter the recovery menu. And here we have it. You can move through this menu by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. Oh, up doesn't seem to want to work for some reason. Down works well, but up, oh, it's a bit wonky. But again, you can simply swipe on the screen to scroll through the options, or you can use the upper button to scroll down. It scrolls only one way. So if you need to scroll up, you need to use the touch screen or go all the way around through the whole menu, which would be probably quite annoying. Anyway, you want to select the wipe data / factory reset, and then you can swipe left or right to confirm, or press the crown button. Do the same, so scroll down, select the factory data reset and confirm by swiping or press the crown button. Wait until the wiping data is complete. You will see some errors on the screen. Don't mind them. Just wait until the process is complete. Okay, and once you see the reboot system now, or rather the factory or rather recovery menu again, you will need to select the reboot system now option. Okay, and of course you can scroll through the menu, select reboot system now, and then press the crown button to confirm and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And after it's done booting up, you will see the animation on the screen telling you that to pair the watch with a phone, basically. And during the pairing, you will be asked to enter the previous pattern, pin, or use the Google account to confirm that it's you. So remember that you won't be able to unlock it unless you at least know the account that the watch was connected to, or you remember the pin or password, or pattern rather. And here we have it. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.